ba? Oh. Pero pa wala yung squid. Dry squid. Wala sila. Para is coming. Para is coming.
8 kilo.
Yes, boss.
Okay.
Nakaris to. Oh. 야, 이것들이 내가 썰어 먹는다니까 안 믿네, 이거. 야.
Withdrawal. Tapos ikaw hindi din smoking, ba? Tignan mo New Year list ka. Forgetting sick.
우리 저리랑 이게 우선 뭐.
Ganito?
나랑 얘기하지 마. Don't speak to me.
Para. Pali-pali, come here na. Where are you? Where are you guys? Hello, Opa. Even I don't understand. Hello, hello. Long time, how much? Long time, how much? Cheers. Cheers, Opa, for one picture. Opa Kapsi. Sangi, my brother.
형, 사람 어디에요? 갑자요.
She's coming. She's coming.
Long time out.
You have a nice question, Opa. Long time, how much? It's priceless. No. First time. Sarap. I don't know in Korean. This is baby fish. Dried fish.
귀여운구나. 나도 귀여운데.
Korea also, they celebrate Korean Christmas. Like here in Philippines, we have Noche Buena in midnight 12. How about in Korea? And 9 days starting 16 to 24. You know Simbang Gabi? No, salon. Close. Wala, kanina ko pa close. Hindi lang ito. Lagi nilang open.
볼 때요.
I want my nose this. My dream. Tipo bird. Gusto ko yung sisi para. May isang dugot. HK Plaza pala. Sabi, dapat English. Inside of me. Ayan. Which is ba? Sarap.
야, 얘 왜 안 오냐? 니네 둘이 좀 나좀 쉬다 오게.
Chincha?
오,
I don't believe.
fuck you.
Maybe you have challenged them.
내가 미션이래 이게.
That's why. No cigarettes, only alcohol. I started drinking when I was 16 years old. Because it's so cold in Japan, so I started drinking. I'm sorry now, Sisi. I'm waiting for you. So, you have penalty. You must drink 1 bottle of soju. Okay? Arasa? It's raining also in my place in Quezon City. The same.
야, 비 오는 거랑 뭐 상관이야.
Yeah, in all places it's raining. Come here. So, where are you na? Dasing aga. No, I'm not. 4th bottle. No, it's not. I'm waiting for you. I miss you. I want to meet you. Grab, so okay. How many minutes? At the same time, how many minutes going here? Ay, para. Grab, can't tell, huh? Wala na sa apps kung how many minutes. About traffic na ba? Save the energy. Come here na. Come. Yes.
Christmas.
Even it's not Christmas. The problem here in Philippines is traffic. No change at all. Everyday traffic. Today kasi bukas, they're going out to the market, diba? Supermarket, we're going out tomorrow. So today is save the energy. So no traffic. Importance for couples, yes. And for the kids. But for us, for single. So what do you love, Opa, if you hate Christmas? How about the same Valentine's Day? Or no? In Japan, only girls Valentine's Day and then sa Korea ba ganun pa pa? Kasi, di ba dito sa kanila?
이게 뭐야? 발렌타인데이야? 화이트데이야?
O White Day. Dito hindi, di ba? How long you know para? Same with us, and she seems very kind.
술 안 먹어요. 얘만 먹어요.
Oh, cheers. Cheers, cheers. Are you drinking soju? Si ano, hindi ko mabasa. Cha-cha. Your pater is European. What do you mean? Ano ibig sabihin niya?
Your father.
Ah, pater kasi. Father? Hindi, ano, only 1/4 Spanish, tapos Filipino. My mom, Taiwanese, Japanese, mixed blood. Look at my eyes. See, I have makeup now eh. My nose. But I have a dream nose like this. Surgery. Maybe next year. Gusto ko surgery ako. Wala ka bang friend doctor? Diba ang ganda? May news like that. Ano to, Korean? I don't understand. Opa.
Right.
You're better Kapsi. Kachi. Kapsi. You speak very well English. Sabi ako? I'm full. I remove my lipstick. For me, wine is down. My mother is small. Cha-cha height, 5'7". 5'7". Kapsi, 25 years pa. Para penalty, 1. Wala. Talk to me. I cannot read. I'm sick for 2 days. I have flu. But I'm okay. Okay for today. Just for 2 days. Half Taiwanese. Half cheers. Gusto mo ba makipag-inuman? Who's Papa, you or Papa? I'm good alone now. That's a good question, Papa. Oh, hindi. No. Soju is good. Soju is better. Of course, it's still open. Meet matured man, then they will, oh, I don't like young man. I like no young man. I don't like, it's up, it's okay. Age is the key for much, yes. You have a point for that, Opa. Wow. You're so good in Korean, Opa. Watermelon. Ah, it's not watermelon, watermelon. It is the mindset and mentality, yes. And I don't like Filipino man. If I'm mature Korea, 31 years, is it fine? I don't know. You're sleeping. Check. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, who's your top? Okay, it's fine. I trust you. That's... You want classy? Of course, I want classy. I don't like trash. Of course, I know that. But if it's too much, it's not okay. What? You ask, it's okay. I want to answer that one. I'm not a noisy girl. I always forgive. Example, you, Opa. Thank you for your thoughtfulness, Opa. Then, getting crazy, I don't know why. I don't know why. They will not know. No, it's not what you think. I don't go out. I go out only with my boyfriend. I don't go out with my friends. I don't have social media, so use. I don't understand. Read mo message. This call Chacha. Anong pin dito? always. Where are you, Oppa? You're here? Come. Let's drink. Why you're there? Kasi I have Korean friends also in Angeles. In Angeles, Mr. Park. I went there 4 months ago. You see. How about Para, where are you na? Ano sabi ni Gilio pa? Genie Club? I know the owner is. Pinakain ko ice cream para may bubo. A lot of family. Oh my God. Do you have business in Clark? Sakto lang. Maso. What kind of business? How about you? Go there to Clark. Oh. So many park. Yes, so many park. How about your name? Genie what? What is your real Korean name? Traffic. I just put name mo. Park. Oh, Park Shin-hye. Sounds like Park Shin-hye. Gitman. Paano pronounce nyo pa? Park Shin-hye? Jin-hye? Jin-hye? I love her. I used to sounds like hindi. No. It's not that. I don't have watch. My phone is charging there. Ha? 8 PM already na? Oh, kala ko 8 PM na eh. Kasi iPhone charging. 8 PM. And I'm here. My God, 30. Bayan, kala ko 8 PM na. Tagal pala di para kung 8 PM. When was the last time you meet Papa? So you don't meet him pa? No. Only knows him in YouTube. Singing to you in 7 months, then you just came back here. Let's 3 ko pa. Come to Manila. Or we're going there. I drive. Sino North? Saan? Tsaka dyan. Kumakain pansit na dyan. Video ko? Saan nilo to? Sa baba? Miss you too. Chincha, do you miss me? Come to Philippines with Alicia. Soju. I miss you. Come, Sasha only drink this. I cannot in the bottle. Cheers, Opa! Merry Christmas! I hate my hair. Tomorrow my hair like this. Showbiz with me. Dahil Opa JD. Dahil stay. Ni para. Opa JD guwapo. No? Tapos na. Opa JD, what are you doing? Are you live now? In Thai Susu fighting. In Philippine Susu. Wait guys. Wala pa si Para. Kuya, pakuha ng cellphone ko sa ano? Sa couch. Hello. Hello, James. Hi. Ayasha. How are you? Good to hear that. Merry Christmas. But are you? Busy. How about you? What are you doing now? Where do you live, Aisha? Aisha. Asan ka na si Para? Ba't ang tagal? Yung Pasig, diba? Oh. Only 13. How did you know Opo Barbie? This one maybe. So wait lang. going to go now. Bye. Cha-cha. Okay, bye-bye. Is she coming ba talaga? Ang tagal naman ng grab nyo. 1 hour.